We'll start with kinematics, which is the last part of your calculus. If you know derivative rules, if you know integration rule, then kinematics becomes very easy because it is basically application to physics concepts. So let's start with the kinematics. Kinematics is basically depends on three terms: S, V, and A. S stands for displacement, V stands for velocity, A stands for acceleration. If you are deriving something new from the basic quantity, it is used for derivative. So if you have basic is what displacement function and you are deriving velocity, you have to take a derivative of displacement function, which is denoted by ds by dt or s dash t. If you have a displacement function and you already found out the velocity, and if you are taking a derivative of velocity, then you are finding an acceleration a of t. A of t is basically single derivative of velocity or double derivative of displacement. It is also denoted by s double dash t. Integration. Integration is the reverse process of derivative. So if you know the velocity function and you know from which what is the lower limit of time and what is the upper limit of time, you simply take the integration of velocity, you will get displacement between the two times. And if you take the absolute value, that means the modulus value of velocity from the same lower time and upper time or between two time limits, you will get a distance, because distance is a scalar quantity. So we have to convert that into a modulus part. Last part, there are very important one, whether you learn physics or mathematics. Initially, whenever you read the word like initially, that means time t is equal to 0. At rest, that means non-moving, velocity is equal to 0. Moving right or up means velocity is equal to 0. Velocity is greater than 0. Moving left or down, that means velocity is less than 0. If velocity and time having the same sign, speeding up. If velocity and acceleration have different signs, slowing down. So this is all about your derivative and integration.